All right, happy Thursday morning. One more day until that Friday. We've been talking about this morning. One thing we were keeping our eye on, maybe a few scattered showers could reach into northwest Arkansas. So far, so good, though. Most of the activity remaining well off towards our north. I think for the most part, everybody's staying dry for today. It's going to be windy. It's going to be warm for your Thursday. We're talking about daytime highs into those low to mid 80s. It's going to feel fantastic this afternoon. Outside of it being very, very strong winds for today, that can get annoying pretty quickly if you're spending some time outside today. Wind gusts throughout the day today. Again, these aren't consistent. Just every once in a while, a strong gust of wind near 30 up to 40 miles per hour will be possible throughout the day today. Those sustained winds right around 20, 25 miles per hour. Again, it's that type of wind that if you're inside, more than likely you're going to hear that whistling, that howling outside throughout most of the day today. And for your Friday as well, those strong winds are going to continue. Now we take it to Friday night. Again, most of the day on your Friday, we remain dry. Similar to today, it's not until late into the evening, mainly during the overnight hours going into Saturday, that we have that storm risk. You see that level 2 slight risk highlighted across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. This is Friday's outlook, but I'll show you Saturday's outlook, and it's very similar. That's because mainly this is going to be happening during the overnight hours going into Saturday. Again, most of your Friday is going to be dry. The main concerns for this risk would be the chances if a few of those scattered thunderstorms start to produce some of those strong winds, maybe even some hail, and going into our Saturday. Futurecast shows us this. Again, not going to be a complete washout, more than likely scattered showers throughout the day, and every once in a while we could see a strong thunderstorm produce some of those stronger winds, maybe even some hail. Of course, going into your Easter Sunday, more than likely it's going to be a wet end to the weekend. Lots of rain chances and thunderstorm chances still. That's highlighted from the Storm Prediction Center here in yellow. That is that risk for Easter Sunday. Further east you live has the best chances of some strong winds, maybe even some hail going into the end of the weekend. Futurecast once again shows us this. Going into your Easter Sunday, more than likely going to be pretty wet outside. This is a look at 6:30 in the morning. We have those scattered showers, maybe even some heavy rainfall across northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. That continues throughout most of the morning into the afternoon, where we could find a few of those thunderstorms by Sunday evening. Going into the start of the week, we're finally done with the rainfall, at least for the weekend. But by the time we get to next week, that active pattern is going to continue. Just focusing on this weekend's rainfall, anywhere between 1 up to 3+ inches of rainfall will be possible by the time we get past Sunday. Northwest Arkansas over the next 7 days looks like this today. Warm and windy outside. Should be pretty nice outside if you can get over just how strong those winds are. Tomorrow, nice as well. Again, it's late Friday night going into Saturday. Then we have the chances for some of that heavy rainfall, maybe a few of those isolated thunderstorms as well. When it comes to your Easter forecast, again, we've been talking about it the past couple of days. It is not fantastic, but don't want to cancel all your plans just yet. Don't want to say you can't go outside because, again, maybe it lightens up a little bit, but definitely want to start thinking about those outdoor plans. More than likely going to be moving inside for those morning hours and especially those morning Easter egg hunts.